guys! So today I'm here to share my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton with you over a glass of champagne. So grab a glass and let's get to it. So here is the shopping bag that it came in. This was an online order as it's a limited editions piece that my store did not get. However, I did choose the option to pick it up from the store. So in here we have the proof of purchase. This is the return label. And in here we have the receipt. A note that says thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. And yeah, the receipt itself. So this is the box. It's gift wrapped, as you can see. I do appreciate that. And here is a perfume sample that I was given. And yeah, let's get to it. So here's a closer look at it. This here is a little card. As I mentioned before, it's gift wrapped. So there's a card in here, which is super difficult to get out. You have a little envelope here. And here you can write a personalized message to someone dear. If you would like to be generous and give a much appreciated gift to someone. And yeah, let's open it. So this is my latest SLG. Here is the dust bag. Yeah, let's dig in. So my newest purchase and my latest addition to my collection is the Rosalie coin purse. This is the color Bleau Nuage, which translates to blue cloud. So it's a very springish, like spring blue, spring summer color. As you can see, it has the brass hardware. Inside you can find 2 card slots, one here and one there. And in here there's another compartment for bills, etc. This is the main compartment. And then we have the zipped compartment for coins in here. So this color is a limited edition. It's for the Valentine's collection of this year. They also made it in a yellow color that I didn't really care for. I'm a big fan of blue. And for size comparison, I would like to show you some of my other SLGs. So here we have the Rosalie coin purse next to the empreinte key holder, and as you can see, the Rosalie is a bit smaller, not by much, but some difference. And also, this is a great piece. I don't tend to reach for it anymore, so I'm thinking about selling this one. I'm a big fan of the empreinte, so this will be a perfect addition to my collection. Here is a comparison next to my Chanel keyhole or card holder, which has like 3 slots, no 4 actually. And this has not worn very well, as you can see. So kind of regret buying this one, even though it's beautiful. It's just the wear and tear has been bad. So this is the size comparison. So yeah. So to summarize, I'm a big fan of the color. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. The empreinte leather is amazing. I can't recommend it enough. And I think it's definitely price worthy. This piece retails for 390 euros or 490 US dollars, I believe. It's a beautiful piece. I can't wait to start using it, and I'm looking forward to give you an updated wear and tear. If you do like this kind of content, please let me know. Write a comment, hit subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you soon again. Cheers!